Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Chrissy and we're going to do something a little different today. Yesterday I had something happen to me here on YouTube that was a good thing, and I just wanted to share and maybe do the same thing to other people. Just kind of pass it along. And what I'm talking about is I received a shout out on somebody else's channel yesterday, and I can't tell you in words how important that was to me and how that made me feel. And I just want to do that for a few other people. This isn't going to be very long. I figured I would share with you some of my favorite accounts on who I watch, and I follow them for different reasons. You guys probably have the same kind of list. And I figured if you're not following them, you don't know about them, you might, because they're kind of interesting. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to do like a very small list. And the first person that I want to share was the person who shared me yesterday. So the first person I would like to share today is Jody at Southern Seasons. Jody does home decor, DIYs, shopping hauls, very similar to mine. She just moved into a beautiful new house a few months ago, and she's making it her own and doing some renovations, some minor things here and there. So there's a lot of videos to get caught back up with. Her Christmas decor was amazing. She does some farmhouse, some Tuscan, and some French country, just really beautiful things. So I definitely encourage you to check her out if you don't already follow her. The second account that I would like to share is Crystal Tara. Now, Crystal Tara has a huge following. She does not need me to shout her out, but I love her and her family. They're so sweet. You probably already follow her because she's amazing. She's like Superwoman. She has 4 young children. Her home is decorated in a beautiful modern farmhouse decor. She just did her basement, brand new carpeting, repainted. So there's a lot of good videos over on her channel too. So you definitely need to go check her out. Also, Crystal is the queen of tiered trays. So if you are stuck on what to do with your tiered tray, she does them for all the holidays. She usually has 4 or 5 going in different parts of her house. And that's who I look to when I started decorating my tiered tray. I'm like, how does Crystal do it? That's how I want to do it. All right, this next lady probably needs no introduction, and that is Liz at Traditions by the Seasons. I mean, we probably all follow her. She is so much fun. And that girl can decorate. It doesn't matter in what style. I have seen her decorating style go from farmhouse to Tuscan to French country. Liz just moved into a new beautiful home as well. And can I say, that is my dream house. It is like this huge chalet style log home with big beautiful windows and a fireplace. It's amazing. And she is decorating it like crazy. So if you guys are needing some ideas in all different styles. She's kind of leaning toward Mackenzie Child style right now, but it's still very beautiful. Roosters and color, and it's just gorgeous. So go check her out if you haven't already. This next lady that I would like to share, her name is Jamie, and her channel is called Bloom, and she lives in southern Louisiana, and I do not know why she doesn't have a huge amount of following, because her channel is amazing. Her decorating style is amazing, and they recently had a very rough summer. As you know, there were several hurricanes that came through southern Louisiana this past summer. So they have been busy trying to clean up, help other people. They are currently renovating their office spaces. So that's really cool if you want to see like framing and drywall and all of those type of projects. They're currently working on that, and I know she's going to throw in some decor too. But there's a ton of other videos for you to go and binge watch this weekend if you're looking for something to do. She's amazing too. All right, the last person that I want to share for this episode is David Christophers. Now, this is pretty much, it's a store. He does wholesale and retail for home decor, and can I say Christmas? I mean, Christmas. Emphasis. He probably decorates the most beautiful Christmas trees I have ever seen. and he is worth checking out. It's him and his wife. He does a lot of the decorating, but they do it together. They have been in several famous people's homes over this past Christmas, decorating their homes. They are currently in Atlanta for that show in Atlanta, and they have their little studio space all decorated up. Their last video is what this year's Christmas trends are going to be. So I highly encourage you, if you love Christmas decor as much as I do, which I know you do, you have to go check them out. Amazing stuff. And you're going to report back to me and say, oh my gosh, where has this company been all my life? They're amazing. So definitely go check them out too. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I really want to do this frequently, not weekly or anything like that. I mean, this is the first time I ever shouted out somebody. So I'm really not sure how this usually goes, but this is so much fun helping somebody else and helping you guys too. Maybe this weekend you have nothing to do and you're kind of looking for something else to watch, and these people are new to you. So definitely go binge watch on all of their videos. They're awesome. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the thumbs up, because it really does help all of us YouTubers out. Not just me, but everybody that you visit and maybe even comments. And the thumbs up is amazing. You guys are all amazing. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.